Hey, it's me with my new weird haircut. I don't know what's going on. I might just get rid of this. Anyway, new chip today. Two new chips actually, but just this one for now. Yeah, I just couldn't resist. It was new, so I mean, new flavors are usually the best because they don't stick around for long. Sometimes they do, I guess. Anyway, I don't know if this one will. This is funny-frisch chips, which I think did the chocolate chips. But this is their Kessel chips series. And today we are having funny-frisch's Neu Kessel chips roasted bacon style. Oh yeah. And even the chips kind of look like bacon, but maybe that's just because they're kettle chips. Yeah, in the back they explain how they make them. You know, they're made in a kettle. Yeah, right. Yeah, we put ingredients on them. Speaking of ingredients, the usual sunflower oil, spices or spice salt, onion powder, sugar, glucose, pepper, rosemary. Oh, I tried some rosemary chips the other day. I have to find them again. They were amazing. I have no idea what these things are. Schinkenspeckpulver? Schinken? Knoblauchpulver? I should know this. Hausaroma, so smoke flavor. And yeah, pretty much it. Pretty excited. My first German kettle chip. Oh fuck. Okay, this smells like a pan that's been sitting around for a couple of hours in which you made bacon, and now the bacon grease has just kind of settled and is starting to harden. This is what this smells like. It doesn't smell like bacon. It smells like bacon grease. I don't know, maybe the taste doesn't smell pretty thick. That's what she said. Holy shit. Okay. Wow. I mean, these fucking taste like bacon. All the satisfying crunch and flavor of an oil-drenched potato. With the aroma of bacon. They're perfect.